We've got another quick hit from the Oval Office. President Trump is kind of the gift that keeps on giving when it comes to pieces to dissect. This was during one sit down. We've had a number of discussions about this. But remember to like and subscribe. Listen in on this. Let's talk about it.
Question?
On tariffs?
No, not you. Not
Presidente update today on potential semiconductor tariffs and potentially pharmaceuticals. Semiconductor tariffs and potentially pharmaceuticals.
Pharmaceuticals we're going to do. We don't make our own drugs, our own pharmaceuticals. We don't make our own drugs anymore. The drug companies are in Ireland and they're in lots of other places, China. And all I have to do is impose a tariff. The more, the faster they move in. The higher the tariff, it's very simple. It's inversely proportional. The higher the tariff, the faster they come. And yeah, we're going to be doing that. That's going to be like we have on cars. We have, as you know, a 25% tariff on cars. We have a 25% tariff on steel and aluminum. And that's what that category fits right now.
Do you have a percentage in mind and a timeline?
I have a timeline, yeah, not too distant future. And we're doing it because we want to make our own drugs. We're doing it because we want to make our own steel and aluminum, lumber, other things. And they're all coming in. We have record numbers, $7 trillion. Since I announced, like a month and a half ago, since I came in, we have over $7 trillion being invested in the country.
So we have a situation. I mean, look, the tariff issue is one which is causing obviously a lot of consternation. I understand where Trump's head is on this in the sense that he thinks, well, if we put tariffs on this, we're going to make these things in the United States. I think that's true in some cases. In other cases, this is going to take a long time to actually spin up. I'm not an expert on the manufacture of pharmaceuticals, so hard for me to say how quickly the pharmaceutical companies could bring things back to the United States and manufacture them here. Obviously, if we're talking about life-saving drugs and putting a tariff on those things, the impact that might have on people is going to be controversial for sure. So we'll see how that plays out. But I get that he wants to not be reliant on manufacturing in foreign countries, particularly on pharmaceuticals. That's one in which I think it makes more sense to be able to be we can rely on our own manufacturing for that. Again, the tariff issue vis-a-vis free markets, it's a challenge and one that it will be interesting to see how it all plays out in the end, whether this is truly a permanent tariff or we're talking about some type of negotiation with other countries. But when it comes to things like he talked about lumber, steel, aluminum, pharmaceuticals, cars, I think he does, in fact, want to see those things manufactured here in the United States. So I'm guessing that those tariffs are likely to be the ones that are going to be permanent.